Then I go for government hospital. Then I saw many crowded
Okay,
people
okay,
are
okay,
get
okay.
a
Tell
line.
me. Okay,
A
tell me.
patient
If
will die
if you have
at least.
any emergency, if you have no money, how can manage your problem?
No,
You
it
have to go. You have to go
okay, okay.
government.
It is you only take a point with poor people. But why I am studying? Because I am want to live my life with very fully, and whenever I need in my life in emergency case that I use my
Tell me,
money.
na. Tell me. If you have no money, then how can manage your problem?
Hello everyone, we are discussing about today topic like which hospital is good, like government hospital, private hospital. But in my opinion, just I say, private hospital is better than government because whenever you go for a private hospital, then you have got a lots of facility and lots of services with very quickly and very fast service. That's why I choose a private hospital. And what's about your opinion?
How can say private hospital is more facilities, because I believe, and we all always see, if you have a go government hospital, there is a many facilities there are, good teachers, they have a lot of degree.
No, just you believe that that is a good service. But I have personally experienced whenever I go for a private hospital, then anyone have like a patient that he gave a good service, like and like personal treatment and personal bed, like everything have a personal. But whenever we go in a government hospital, then you have a got
But
lots of
poor
crowded.
family can't afford private hospital.
No, nowadays many private hospital that have a very affordable price.
No, no, I can't say, and I can't accept, because I see always, if you have to go private hospital and private doctors charge many more amount. That's why poor family always intention. Then
Okay,
how can
but
say?
I'm talking about like you. Why you are studying and why you wants to earn lots of money?
Because I want to become a government doctor, because I know and I believe I want to serve poor people free.
Okay, okay. Just your thought is very good. I appreciate you. But everyone wants to become a good government doctor, good government teacher. But whenever talking about their profession and their services,
If you have a go private hospital, there are many long distance. Private doctors understand they are poor people, they don't care.
no, it is talking about your life, not your money. Because whenever talking about life, then it doesn't matter how much your money. Nowadays, many people have sold their land and for treatment for ourselves. Because whenever point of life, then you never think about your money.
How can say? Maybe they have fake degrees.
No,
Yeah, because we always see they have fake degrees. That's why they cheat poor people.
no. In my experience, I never seen
I have
some.
also experienced.
Then it should be some legal cases
I
and
say
just like.
I say on the basis of my experience. That's why I say government
Okay, it
hospital
is
is better.
out of thousand lakh cases, then you have got a one case because nowadays
More
every
cases, not
profession have
only
a
one cases, not
some
only
frauded
one
and
cases. I see more cases.
no I
No, no, no.
never like if you go any field if you talking about education
The,
field then you
why
will
why
also get a
why many students and peoples want to go any government fields?
because just I'm talking about like please listen carefully
Yeah.
you want to become a government doctor government teacher but you never want to study in government school and never want to treat with a government
Listen,
hospital.
listen. I always prepare my government sorry, university.
I'm not talking about university because whenever talking
You'd
about
you'd say
university
you say
school is different university is different
Yeah,
because
yes.
if you talking about university
How
then
can say
private
if
university is
you
not
if
good.
you go government college, there are many labs, classes, more facilities as compared to private.
Okay, but whenever you go for higher education, then it is totally changed because private university, private college is not good rather than government uh, colleges. Because if you have a study in the private, then you have a very expensive thing. and you not got a facility.
You means private hospital is more better than government?
Yes, obviously.
Say tell me some example.
Okay,
Then I prove
okay,
it.
listen carefully.
Yeah.
If I have some critical situation and I have got a many emergency, then I go for government hospital. Then I saw many crowded people and get a
Tell
line.
me. Tell
A
me.
patient will die
If you have
at least.
any emergency, if you have no money, how can manage your problem?
No,
You have to go. You have to go
okay, okay.
government.
It is you only take a point with poor people. But why I am studying? Because I am want to live my life with very fully, and whenever I need in my life in emergency case, that I use my money.
Tell me. If you have no money, then how can manage your problem?
If you don't have money, you can't handle any problem.
If I have no
It is
more,
the responsibility
if
of any government about slum people and other.
government
We are talking
always
about,
help us. Government always help us rather than hospitals, college, university.
but it is not fulfilled to other all over
It's my
people.
belief they all fulfill my
Then why data say lots of people are uneducated and they have no any houses, no any shelter, they have no any job. Why? If government help, if everything is fine, then why not? Why everything have a private have a good? Whenever you have a private job, then you have a secure by onset. But if you
if you have a government job, you always secure your life.
but what about the competition? Only
If you have a
0.1%.
if you have a talent, skill, you can fight all things.
But everyone can't have talent like you. I am talking about
You
other
have
people.
you have
50 or 60%
you have
people.
always talent, skills. You can fight any type of competition.
Okay, just take example like a NEET examination qualify for government hospital. But how much percentage? Only 1%. And rather than sometimes 0.1%. And IITs have also 0.1%. But what's about 99% people? They have got a suicide.
Listen me carefully. If you have a no qualify any government job agera vagera, you can understand I am a very lucky because maybe God take your time to develop your personality good and better than which people who people which sorry who qualified first time.
Yes. But
Because I face many failure in my life, but I never give up. I always understand maybe God take me chance and they want to I develop my personality.
okay, but nowadays many students have on the race of rate race. They just take example. If you have a 10 seated in any government hospital and any government college, but you have a talented of 11th student, you have a potential, but shortage of seat, then you have proved that I am not intelligent, I am not talented. No, whenever go for another field, just you have a lots of seated, and if you talking about foreign country, if you talking about another thing, then you have got a lots of opportunity.
If we have a private jobs, if anything, you cannot secure your life because maybe your boss, your doctors cheat you.
No, why you only
We
talking
always
about
see.
1% possibility?
We always see.
Okay, listen.
Why I'm saying government doctors is very intelligent because they qualified more exam.
Yes, I agree.
They have a lot of experience.
I agree.
Experience is more
I
important
agree.
for everything.
Government teacher, government doctor are always
Why
good.
why I'm saying
But
why
they are-
I'm saying
okay.
why I'm saying government
No,
is
but
better
what's
because
about-
I believe experience is everything for anything.
Okay, you take your
If you have a-
experience on yourself. Okay, listen.
Yeah.
This my turn. If you have experience, if you have a knowledge, but you can't serve to people like many government doctor have a good knowledge, good qualification, but whenever talking about service of people, they can't do because they have very laziness, because they know I have got a salary after 30 days later. But what about your working?
Maybe
No,
some
but
maybe
private
some
hospital, private doctor,
maybe
any
some
profession. Listen, I my complete sentence. If you're talking about private any profession, then he do their job like I have my responsibility to do, and they have do their best. But
you
government
know
profession
government
is not.
government doctor understand people, sorry,
Poor
poor people's pain and their condition, because maybe they face a lot of difficulties in their life, and they understand, that's why they understand poor people
No,
pain
no,
and
it's not about free treatment. It's all about your life. Whenever talking about life, then you have, if you, even a
because
single land you sell
listen
for
listen
your
listen one
health.
day my cousin got ill, they have no money and they have no father, they had to go private hospital, and then private doctor said, if you have no money you can um, get
Okay,
out,
okay. At that
you get
situation,
out, you
okay,
get
I
out,
reply your
that's
answer.
why
Okay, I
that's
reply
why
your
he go,
answer.
that's why they have to go in a
Okay,
government hospital, and they see there are many free oxygen, blood, and free medicine. Then I realize government hospital and doctor is more humble and honest, and they have a lot of talent experience as compared
okay,
to
okay,
private
okay, okay.
doctors.
I explain your question. Just you talking about whenever you on the situation of you don't have money for treatment yourself. Okay, but at that moment you take also loan. Just complete my just not okay.
Okay,
Just you take loan, and when you get a fit, then you have pay your back your loan. But you talking about your free treatment, if everyone thinking like that, then no one can do their job, because I have a free
listen
treatment, I have
listen
free
listen
ration, I have
listen
free everything.
listen
Why I
listen
do my
listen,
work?
if you have a
But you don't have
maybe
any
listen
responsibility
listen
on hand.
if your leg cut and then you take loan, then how can
Same again, you were talking 1% possibility. Why
uh,
you are always talking about 1%? If you think in daily, I have a cut my hand, I have a cut my leg every day. No, it is only
it's my
rare cases.
it's
Rare
my
cases.
opinion, we cannot take loan.
No, if you share your situation in any